Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question. And it says, in order to estimate the difference between the average daily sales of two branches of a department store, the following data has been gathered. Downtown store, North Mall store, sample size N1 is 21 days. N2 is 24 days. Then we have sample mean in 1,000. Sample mean in 1,000. X1 is 36. X2 is 33. Sample standard deviation in 1,000. S1 is 3. S2 is 4. Determine the point estimate of the difference in thousands of dollars between the population means. So that's 21 minus 24. So that is -3. So that's A. B, determine the degrees of freedom for the interval estimation. So to calculate the degrees of freedom, what you have to do is you have to take your, I'm sorry, I grabbed the two wrong numbers for the difference between the sample mean. I grabbed your numbers. Sorry about that. So you're going to take 36 minus 33, and that is going to be 3. And then for your degrees of freedom, you're going to take 21 plus 24, and then you're going to minus 2, and you're going to get 43. And then C, compute the margin of error. So to get the margin of error, you first have to do you have to first pull the variances. So you're going to do 21 minus 1, and then you're going to take 3 and you're going to square it. And then you're going to add that to 24 minus 1, and then you're going to multiply that by 4 squared. Then you're going to do 21 plus 24 minus 2. And then all of that's going to equal 12.744. Then you're going to find the square root of that, and that is going to equal 3.57. Then you're going to multiply that 3.57 by the square root of 1 over 21 plus 1 over 24. And that's going to equal 1.067. So then you're going to end up taking that number, and you have to then multiply that by whatever your confidence interval is going to be, okay? So the confidence interval in this case is going to be a 95% confidence interval, okay? And so you're going to take your 3 plus or minus, because this is also going to have to do with D. And so you're going to, for 95% confidence interval, you're going to do 1 minus 0.95, which is 0.05. 1 minus 0.05, divide that by 2, and that's going to be 0.975. And then you take your T, 0.975 times 43, and that's going to equal 2.017. So then you're going to take the 2.017 times 1.067, and you're going to get a margin of error of 2.151. So that's going to be your margin of error. Okay. And so you're going to do 3 plus or minus 2.151, and then 3 minus 2.151, and that's 0.849, comma, and then adding those together is 5.151. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.